Porsche marks the 30th anniversary of the famed Goodwood Festival of Speed in style with the world premiere of the Porsche Vision 357 Speedster. The new concept car is the sister model to the Porsche Vision 357 with which the sports car manufacturer launched its own anniversary year celebrations. In design terms, the concept is a homage to the 356, however the all-electric Porsche Vision 357 Speedster is based on the 718 GT4 performance technologically. The Vision 357 Speedster is based on the technology of the Porsche 718 GT4 performance. The electric motors and battery technology come from the Mission R and the chassis from the 718 GT4 Clubsport. Following its world premiere at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, the design study will be on display at this year's Rennsport Reunion in the United States at the end of September. The Vision 357 Speedster concept car has the shortened windshield that is typical of a Speedster, lending even more emphasis to the car's monolithic body. Spanning the right side of the car is a tonneau cover of the type once common on open-top sports cars. The driver's headrest appears suspended in the air due to the technically designed carbon fiber rollover element behind it. Behind that is the charge port door and the anchor for the classic Speedster top. The two-color concept with the two gray tones marble gray and Grivolo gray metallic is inspired by historic motorsport forerunners, such as the front bumper used to protect against flying rocks and the front fenders, which feature the darker metallic color. The front wheels are also painted in Grivolo gray metallic. This is complemented by contrasts in Miami blue, for example on the quick-release mechanisms on the wraparound hood. The wide track gives the car a wider stance and enhances driving stability. The 20-inch wheels are made of magnesium and are equipped with carbon fiber hubcaps and central locks. Visually, they also recall a legendary Porsche wheel. The 356A and 356B with drum brakes had rims with the notably large bolt circle of 205 mm. The interior is reduced to the essentials and fully tailored to the driver. The low-slung seat position is quintessentially sporty. The carbon fiber reinforced plastic seat shell is integrated in the monocoque. The driver sits on Racetex covered pads and is held firmly in place by 6-point seat belt with a Miami blue belt strap. The instrument cluster sits atop the steering column as a transparent surface. The individual controls, meanwhile, revisit the accent color Miami blue from the exterior. The entire dashboard is decorated with a carbon fiber finish. As an alternative to a conventional glove compartment, Miami blue straps in the upper right section can be used to secure accessories. Simple fabric straps replace conventional door handles. This racing-inspired detail saves weight. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. And be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest car releases, prices, and specifications. I'll see you next time.